Everything about crypto staking and guide on how to stake cryptocurrency. Crypto staking is a process within blockchain networks where users lock up a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of the network. Staking is typically associated with proof of stake (PS) and delegated proof of stake (DPoS) consensus algorithms, although variations exist among different cryptocurrencies. Here's a comprehensive overview of crypto staking. Key concepts. 1. Proof of stake (PSPS) is a consensus algorithm where validators participants are chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. 2. Delegated proof of stake (DPoS). DPoS is a variation of POS where coin holders vote for a limited number of delegates who are responsible for validating transactions and creating new blocks. This system aims to enhance efficiency and scalability. How crypto staking works. 1. Validator nodes. In PS and DPoS systems, validator nodes are selected to propose and validate new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they have staked. 2. Staking tokens. Participants, known as stackers, lock up a certain amount of their cryptocurrency, staking tokens, in a wallet to signal their commitment to the network. 3. Block creation and validation. Validators, either elected, DPoS, or chosen randomly, PS, create and validate new blocks. The likelihood of being chosen is proportional to the amount of cryptocurrency staked. 4. Rewards. Stackers receive rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency for their participation in block creation and validation. These rewards are an incentive for users to stake and contribute to the network security. 5. Slashing. To ensure the integrity of the network, some PS systems implement a slashing mechanism. Validators may lose a portion of their staked tokens in case of malicious behavior or network violations. Benefits of crypto staking. 1. Passive income. Staking allows users to earn passive income by simply holding and locking up their cryptocurrency in a staking wallet. 2. Network security. Stackers play a crucial role in securing the network by participating in block creation and validation. 3. Reduced energy consumption. Unlike proof of work (PoW) consensus, which requires significant computational power, staking often consumes less energy, making it more environmentally friendly. Risks and considerations. 1. Market risks. The value of staked tokens may fluctuate, impacting the overall value of staking rewards. 2. Lockup periods. Some staking arrangements involve a lockup period during which staked funds cannot be accessed. Users should be aware of and comfortable with these lockup periods. 3. Protocol changes. Staking rules and rewards may be subject to changes by the protocol, so staying informed about the network's developments is important. 4. Slashing risks. Validators may face penalties, including the loss of staked funds, for malicious behavior or network rule violations. Popular staking cryptocurrencies. 1. Ethereum 2.0. ETH2. Ethereum is transitioning from PoW to POS through Ethereum 2.0, allowing users to stake ETH to support the network. 2. Cardano ADA. Cardano utilizes a PS consensus algorithm, allowing ADA holders to stake their tokens and participate in block creation. 3. Polkadot. Polkadot employs nominated proof of stake (NPS), where users can stake DOT tokens to become validators or nominate others. 4. Tezos. Tezos uses a liquid proof of stake model, enabling users to delegate or self-bake to participate in block creation. Crypto staking is a dynamic and evolving space, and users interested in staking should carefully research the specific details of each blockchain staking mechanism, reward structure, and associated risks. Staking can be a rewarding way to contribute to blockchain networks while earning passive income. Here's a general guide on how to stake cryptocurrency. 1. Choose a staking coin. Start by selecting a cryptocurrency that supports staking. Not all cryptocurrencies have staking capabilities, so ensure that the one you choose offers staking rewards. 2. Set up a wallet. You need a compatible wallet to stake your cryptocurrency. Some cryptocurrencies have their official wallets, while others can be staked using hardware wallets or specific staking platforms. Make sure your chosen wallet supports staking. 3. Acquire the staking tokens. Purchase or transfer the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake into your wallet. Ensure that you have enough tokens to meet the minimum staking requirements if there are any. 4. Understand the staking requirements. Different cryptocurrencies and staking platforms have varying requirements, such as a minimum staking amount, staking duration, and specific rules for participation. Familiarize yourself with these requirements before proceeding. 5. Delegate or self-stake. Depending on the staking mechanism of the cryptocurrency, you may have the option to either delegate your coins to a validator or stake them yourself. Delegating involves selecting a validator to perform the staking on your behalf, while self-staking requires running a node. 6. Lockup period. Some staking arrangements involve a lockup period, during which you cannot access your staked funds. Be aware of the duration of the lockup period and only stake what you are comfortable locking away for that time. 7. Monitor rewards. Once your funds are staked, you'll begin earning staking rewards. Rewards are usually distributed periodically, and you can monitor them within your wallet or through the staking platform. 8. Stay informed. Keep yourself informed about any changes in the staking ecosystem, including updates to the protocol, changes in staking rewards, or modifications to the staking process. 9. Consider risks. Staking comes with risks, including the potential loss of funds. Understand the risks associated with the specific cryptocurrency and staking platform you are using. 10. Withdraw or restake. At the end of the staking period, or when you decide to stop staking, you can withdraw your staked funds along with any earned rewards. Alternatively, you may choose to restake them for another period. Remember that the specifics of staking can vary widely depending on the cryptocurrency, so it's crucial to refer to the official documentation and guidelines provided by the respective blockchain or staking platform. Always prioritize security and stay informed about the latest developments in the staking space. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe to my channel to motivate me creating such more and more informative contents for your considering of trading or an investment. See you next video.